Hello, if you are looking for a present for your loved one, then this pillow may be a good choice. The full disclosure, the seller provided me with this pillow so I can test it out, show you how it looks, and share my overall thoughts with you. So this is how this heart pillow came in. It's packaged and vacuum sealed very well. So let's just open it up. As you can see, as soon as I start opening it up, it starts expanding on its own. And I will just let it sit for probably around 24 hours. So it will take its shape. And then we can proceed and see how much we like it. And you can see this is the front. This is the back. And I also think it could be beautiful as a present because you can give it to your loved one like on any occasion, birthday, Valentine's Day. Just literally a reminder to tell somebody you love them. As you can see, even my miniature schnauzer really loves it. He thinks it's soft and beautiful and he enjoys laying down right next to it. And this is again how this pillow looks like. I also love how soft this pillow is. And I also love that it can be used anywhere throughout your home. And if you're looking for a pillow for yourself, your loved one, or just as a present, I highly, highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.